Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be going over how to sync your contacts and campaigns from Mailchimp to Moosend. This is a great method to help sync all of your contacts and campaigns and also migrate all of your data automatically. We're going to start off in Moosend by clicking More in our navigation menu and then click on Integrations. From here, you're looking for Mailchimp Synchronizer. Let's go ahead and click that. The first step, we're required a Mailchimp API key. Naturally, we'll be able to get that from Mailchimp. You want to start off in Mailchimp by clicking on the account icon in the top right-hand corner and click on Profile. From here, click on Extras and API keys. And then we'll scroll down and you'll have a list of API keys. If you don't have any, you'll have a Create a Key button. We want to go ahead and click Create a Key. Let's name our API key. Click Generate Key. And from here, we want to copy this API key. We're going to be using that in Mailchimp. Make sure to copy it. And just in case, you can store it in a separate file. Once you click Done, you won't have access to the key anymore, and you'll have to create a new key. So make sure you copy it right now and click Done. Head over back to Moosend. Plug your API key in and click Connect Account. Our first step is to select the campaigns we want to migrate over to Moosend or synchronize in Moosend. You can select a few send campaigns or you can select all of them. And the same thing is true for your draft campaigns. Select the campaigns you'd like to move over and click Next. And finally, the tool finds any mailing lists you have in Mailchimp. Here is my test list. You can select a few, you can select all of the lists. We want to make sure to synchronize our active members. And in this case, I'm going to select unsubscribed members as well. This is a full migration. It's best practice to retain this data so that you aren't accidentally emailing the unsubscribed members. And then we want to make sure we've selected the I have opt-in consent for these members. Please add the members as verified and click Next. Finally, once this process is complete, you can choose to be notified at the email address to the current account, a separate email address, or choose to not be notified. I'm going to select to email me at my current account and click Synchronize. And that's it. That's quick and simple. Once the process is complete, we'll find the mailing list, Moosend test list. We'll also find the campaigns, the sent campaigns, and the draft campaigns. Heading back to the mailing list, we can click into the list, view all members, and once this is complete, all of these members will be migrated over. And as you can see, here's a member that is unsubscribed as well. That's it for today.